Hi there, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're going to have a walk around a 2014 Kia Optima LX. Fog lights, the nice headlamps, beautiful Tiger Shark grille. Runs a 2.4 liter. It's an automatic, won't cost you a ton of money on fuel, but it gets you around powerfully, comfortably, roomy. A really pretty vehicle, nice sparkly metallic gray. Signals in your mirrors, dark tinted windows. Gotta love that, keeps it cool on the interior. Shark antenna, Sirius satellite radio, 4-wheel disc brakes with alloy wheels. We're at West Coast Kia. We're at 19950 Lougheed Highway. We've got plenty of used inventory, but this 14's nice and clean, won't cost you a bunch of money, and you get a really nice car. The dual chrome exhausts, gas direct inject. Just letting you take a look. Kia Optima was ahead of its time with its design, its sharp edges. Really pretty. Runs on regular fuel. Has Michelin tires on it. Let's get a look at that interior and make sure the back door is unlocked for us. I'll give you a good view of that roomy, spacious rear. Water bottle locations in all the doors. Luggage bags on the backs of the seats. Air conditioning can be faced and aimed at your guests. Child anchors in the back. These seats actually sit in, it's like you're in buckets, so much more comfortable. Armrest comes down to give you a cup holder. Carpet's nice and clean. It hasn't been smoked in, I can't smell a thing. Actually nice and clean. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Pop trunk is right here, and you've got a gas popper as well, so nobody's going to be getting your fuel anytime soon. So in the front, it's like a little bit of a cockpit. Sort of the angle on the armrest, angle of the cup holders. This does have power seats on the driver's side, which is nice. Bluetooth, cruise control. It has the auto lighting switch, so auto, leave it, let it go. It's just dinging because I've got the keys in it. Just going to start it up for you. Make sure everything's off. So it's preparing Sirius satellite radio. It has the air conditioning. I'm going to turn a little bit on because it's a bit warm today. Heated seats on both sides. Nice auto gear shift change. Really pretty. Lots of room on both sides, so your guests and yourself, you'll be very comfortable. I'm trying to get a back picture of this so you can see. It runs 96,753 kilometers, but it's really clean. So whoever had it just drove it, took care of it. If you're looking for a nice little Optima, this 2014 at the price point should be something to come take a look at. They're super nice cars. They're nice and quiet. They're roomy. West Coast Kia. We've got a couple of these Optimas here, and this one is the 2014 in gray. Come on down to West Coast Kia, just across the bridge in Maple Ridge. Come get yourself a new car.